Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we will see how to download the IntelliJ IDEA setup and how it looks like when it is installed. We will need IntelliJ IDEA to cover the basics of Kotlin. So, first of all, go to Google and type IntelliJ IDEA and click the first link. Now, click the download button. You can see two versions of IntelliJ here. Choose the community version as it is completely free to use. Download this version and simply install it. It is very simple to install the setup. You just need to click the next button until the setup is finished. Now, just open the installed IntelliJ IDEA. It will take a few seconds to load up, depending on your operating system. When you start IntelliJ for the first time, you will be asked to choose a UI theme. You can choose a dark or a light background and then click Next until the software starts. So this is how it looks like before creating a project. Click on New Project. You might need to set up the JDK first. I will show you how to do it. Just click on the New button, here, and look for the path for your JDK, the place you installed it in. I know where my JDK is. I will select it and click on the OK button. Now click Kotlin and start your project. And yes, you're done.